How to transfer data from Android to Android. Firstly, open settings on one of your Android device or on your old Android device. Then open the additional settings depending upon your device. You might also get the option for accounts and backup. Just open it. Now on this page you have to scroll all the way down at the bottom of the screen and open backup and reset. Then on your Google backup you need to select your Google account. Now on this page you will see the option to back up now. You simply need to tap on it and all your data will be backed up. After that you need to use the same Gmail as your old device on your new phone too. Then all your data will be restored on your new device. So in your new device you can simply come back from this page and go to settings. And on the settings you need to simply select users and accounts and select Google. Now select your Google account here, the same Google account, and select three dots at the top right and select sync now option, and all your data will be transferred from Android to Android. So that was a simple way to do. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share and comment. If you are new to our channel, then subscribe for more updates. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.